Welcome to the Exterior Pre-Trip presented by Diesel Driving School of Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. This video will help prepare you for the Exterior Pre-Trip for your state exam. First, we will start with the front of the vehicle. Checking to ensure lenses aren't damaged and turn signals are proper color. Check fender mirrors, securely mounted, not cracked or broken. Checking to ensure lenses are not broken or missing. Next, we'll move to the engine compartment. Checking alternator to ensure securely mounted and belt driven. Belt is in good condition and proper tension. Checking water pump, securely mounted, not leaking, gear driven. If you have a Mercedes or Cascadia motor, it will be belt driven. Checking coolant reservoir, securely mounted, not leaking, proper level. Windshield washer fluid reservoir, securely mounted, not leaking, and full of fluid. Checking oil dipstick and oil fill cap, make sure you have oil at the proper level and cap is secure. Air compressor, securely mounted, not leaking, gear driven. Power steering reservoir, securely mounted, not leaking, at the proper level. Power steering pump, securely mounted, not leaking, gear driven. Steering shaft, securely mounted, not bent, U-joints are greased and tight. Steering linkage, securely mounted, castle nut and cotter pin not missing. Steering gearbox, securely mounted, no missing bolts, not leaking. General hoses and clamps are tight and not leaking. No leaks on the ground. Next, we'll move to steering axle, suspension, brakes, and tires. Springs and spring mounts, securely mounted, no cracks, not broken, no missing pieces. U-bolts, not cracked, not missing, nuts are tight. Shocks, securely mounted, top and bottom, not leaking. Brake hoses, securely mounted, no cuts, not frayed, not leaking. Brake chamber, securely mounted, not damaged or leaking. Push rod and slack adjuster, securely mounted, not damaged, adjusted properly, within 1 inch of free play. Drums, pads, and liners, securely mounted, not damaged, broken, or missing, proper thickness, and no excessive grease. Steer tire tread depth, minimum of 4/32. Steer tire sidewalls, no cuts or bruising. Steer tire has proper tire pressure, using valve stem to check and cap is on securely and not leaking. Steer tire rim, no cracks, no dents, no welds, securely mounted with lug nuts. Steer tire lug nuts, all there, all tight, No signs of looseness like rust spray or metal shavings. Steer tire hub oil seal, securely mounted, not leaking, oil at proper level. Next, you will move to the vehicle side. Mirror, securely mounted, not damaged or missing. Door hinge, not rusted or broken. Door opens and closes properly. Door latch, works properly, not damaged. Door seal, not damaged and in good condition. Fuel tank, securely mounted, not leaking. Fuel tank cap, cap is on tight and not leaking. Fuel tank straps, securely mounted, not loose. Steps, securely mounted and free of debris. Catwalk and steps, securely mounted, not damaged, and free of debris. Frame, no cracks, no dents, no welds, none of the bolts are missing. Frame crossmember, securely mounted, no cracks, no dents, no welds. Drive shaft, securely mounted, no cracks, no dents, no welds. U-joints are tight and have proper grease. Exhaust, securely mounted, not leaking. Airlines, securely mounted, not leaking, hoses are in good condition. Electrical, securely mounted, locked in with the safety latch, cable not damaged or frayed. Next we'll move to the tractor drive axle suspension, brakes, and tires. Torque rod, securely mounted, not damaged, not missing. Leaf spring and leaf spring mounts, securely mounted, not damaged, no cracks, nothing missing. U-bolts, not cracked, not damaged or missing, securely mounted, nuts are tight. Shock, securely mounted, top and bottom, not damaged, not leaking. Airbag, securely mounted on top and bottom, not damaged, not leaking. Airline, securely mounted, not damaged, not leaking. Brake chamber, securely mounted, not damaged, broken, or missing, not leaking. Slack adjuster and push rod, securely mounted, adjusted properly, no more than 1 inch of free play. Drums, pads, liners, securely mounted, nothing damaged, broken, or missing, proper thickness, no excessive grease. Tire tread depth, minimum of 2/32. Tire sidewalls, no cuts, no bruising. Valve stem, check tire pressure using valve stem, which is securely mounted and cap is on tight. Bud spacing, I have bud rims, so I have proper spacing. Rims, bud rims are securely mounted with the lug nuts, no cracks, no dents, no welds. Lug nuts, all tight, all there, no flaking or rusting or other signs of looseness. Hub oil axle seal, securely mounted, not leaking. Coupling devices, truck and tractor. Fifth wheel, securely mounted to the platform with horizontal bolts. Platform is securely mounted to the frame with bolts on top and bottom, stationary so there are no locking pins. If there are locking pins, platform is securely mounted to the slide rail, which is securely mounted to the frame. Locking pins are locked into transit position. Release arm, securely mounted and in the transit position. I checked my safety latch to make sure it's working properly. Locking jaws, securely mounted and greased properly. Kingpin, securely mounted, not cracked or bent. Apron, securely mounted, no cracks, no dents, no welds. Skid plate, lubed properly, no daylight between apron and skid plate. Proper clearance between fifth wheel and landing gear for turning. Next, we will move to the rear of the truck. Splash guards and reflectors, securely mounted, nothing damaged, broken, or missing, proper length. Lights and reflectors, securely mounted, nothing is cracked or missing. Next, we'll move to the front of the trailer. Front of trailer, clearance and marker lights, securely mounted, not missing. Header board, not damaged or cracked. Glad hands, securely mounted, hoses not damaged or leaking, seals are in good condition. Electrical, securely mounted, locked in with safety latch and cord is in good condition. Now we'll move to the trailer side. Side of trailer, clearance and marker lights, securely mounted, nothing is cracked or missing. Trailer marker lights, securely mounted, not damaged or missing. Landing gear. Securely mounted, nothing is cracked, broken, or missing. Trailer frame. No illegal welds, not damaged or cracked. Trailer frame rails. Securely mounted, not damaged or missing. Trailer deck. No holes in the deck. ABS light. Securely mounted, not damaged or missing. Tandem release arm. Securely mounted, locked into transit position. Tandem release arm locking pins are locked into transit position. Next, we'll move to trailer axles. Torsion bar, securely mounted, not damaged, broken, or missing. Trailer leaf spring and leaf spring mounts, securely mounted, nothing is cracked, damaged, broken, or missing. Trailer U-bolts, securely mounted, not cracked, damaged, broken, or missing, and no bolts are missing. Airline, securely mounted, not leaking, not damaged or frayed. Brake chamber, securely mounted, not damaged, not leaking. Slack adjuster and push rod, securely mounted, not damaged, and adjusted properly within 1 inch of free play. Brake drums, pads, and liners, securely mounted, not damaged, broken, or missing, proper thickness, no excessive grease. Tire tread, proper depth, 2 30-seconds. Tire walls, not cracked or bruised. Checked my tire pressure with the valve stem, cap is secure, no leaks. Bud rims, proper spacing between tires. Bud rims are securely mounted with lug nuts, no cracks, dents, or welds. Lug nuts, all tight, all there, no rust or flaking or other signs of looseness. Hub oil seal, securely mounted, no leaking, proper level. Now we'll move to the rear of the trailer. Splash guard, securely mounted, not cracked, proper length. Trailer latches, securely mounted and locked in the transit position. Trailer hinges, securely mounted, nothing is damaged or missing. Tail running lights, securely mounted, nothing cracked or missing. Trailer clearance and marker lights or ID lights, securely mounted, not damaged or missing. DOT bumper, securely mounted, not damaged or missing. At this point, ask the examiner to help you with the light check.